In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive files that appear grayed out. This can be a frustrating issue if you're trying to access important documents and files seem inaccessible. But don't worry, we'll walk through the solution together step by step. Let's dive in. First, open your Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at your files. For this tutorial, let's imagine that you have a file that's currently grayed out. Position your cursor over this file and right-click it. You should see a context menu pop up with several options. Next, you want to click on the Share option in the menu. This is where you'll be able to adjust the sharing settings for your file. Once you've clicked on Share, a dialog box will appear. This is where you can review who currently has access to your document. One common reason files appear grayed out is due to permission settings, which we're about to address. Within the sharing settings, look for an option that says anyone with the link. It's essential to make sure your file is accessible to at least this level of permission. If it's not already set this way, go ahead and change the settings to ensure the file can be accessed by anyone who has the link. This usually resolves issues where files are grayed out due to restrictive permissions. Once you've updated the permission settings, click on Done to save your changes. This will close the dialog box and return you to your drive, where you can check if the file is now accessible. If you still find issues, navigate to Shared with Me in the left-hand panel of your Google Drive. This section shows files shared with you that might have different access levels. Even if a file is located here, there might still be restrictions set by the owner. If necessary, and as a last resort, you can contact the file's owner directly for clarity on any restrictions. You can do this by sending them an email from within Google Drive. Simply right-click the file again, and there'll be an option to contact the owner. Send a polite message explaining the predicament, and request that they adjust the file's sharing permissions if possible. There you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with Google Drive files appearing grayed out. Remember that having the right permissions is key to accessing shared documents. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a great day and happy file sharing.